I don't want to watch this. Oh God, look how late it is. I better tell Amara to go to sleep. I almost forgot my child's name. Amara, you better go to sleep. For the last time, my name is Ava. Okay. Let me brush my teeth. Okay, I'm done. New school, new me. I'm excited. Yes, I know, Ava, you're excited, but that doesn't mean that you have to always be hyper. Just come on, you go to sleep and then then you're in new school. Okay, let me just put my sleeping mask on. Good night. Good night. Finally. Go to my bed. Nice. Let me just get her breakfast. I forgot to buy her a bat. Dang it, I need to run to the shops quickly. Hopefully she doesn't notice. Her bag. So sorry, can I quickly go get a bag? Sure, would you like this one? Thank you, this will help so much. Thank you so much. Do I have to pay? Yes, okay. Okay. Wait, let's get the money. Is the money anywhere? Wait, I forgot, it's in my pocket. See me. Here's my money. Okay, thanks. Now here, you can get the bag. Her bag. I also forgot. She always forgets. Let me get her lunch. Oh, it's on the table. Slowly. Let me get her cheesy bob for her snack. And just in case. Let's have a quick sip. And today's flavor for her is lime. Let me just keep her bag out here. I think I forgot her book. I think they're in my drawers. Let me quickly check. Quickly now check. Phew, the books are here. Where is she? I think she accidentally pulled her blanket too much on her head. Silly her. Let me just put this in her. I'll wake her up in a few minutes. Okay. Now, I think it's maybe time to wake her up. Ava, wake up! Almost. It's my first day of school. Did I tell you to not get overexcited? Sorry. Here's your bag. I need to change in my school clothes. Should I wear this one? Or should I wear this one? I think this one is the best. space. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to go now. Geez, she looks so bad for school. I wouldn't be surprised if she got into detention.
If you get a puppy, your puppy will just have to quit.
Bye, Mom.
The dog will ask
Oh,
for
she's
a
not
puppy.
listening.
So I suggest
Just
you
go.
get the puppy more than the dog. Actually, the dog will ask. So get the dog. Bye-bye.
Oh, hi, I'm a new student. Your walker's over there. Okay. Who's gonna go tell her that she has to get the new bag? Ugh, fine, I'll do it. You also have to get the new bag at my office. Blech. Oh, okay, thanks. Somehow I'm getting a disgusting emoji. Maybe something disgusting is around them. Let me get my new bag. Well, I'm gonna transfer my books. There was a party. Weird. My new juice. Huh? How's this bread not made? I guess that's the only. I have 2 breads. Ooh, double troubles. Like that. Maybe I messed up. You know. Hang this up there. And I don't know where to keep this. So I'll just keep this on top. Anyways. Lacey, whatever your name is. My name's Ava. Ava. Bleh. Can you please go clean up that mess? Okay. Ha ha ha. Look how ugly she looks. Yeah. I hear everyone talking how ugly it is. Okay, you can sit in the back. So can I go to the bathroom? Yeah, sure. Ha 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 ha. It looks so weird. Never thought you would look that bad. I guess we can jump in the trampoline. Everyone knows this is a spot we always play with. And honey, my name is Jessica. My name is Rocka. They were best friends, but also hated Ava a lot. And they literally owned the trampoline. Going back to Lick. Ding ding ding. Oh guys, it's the bell now. All of you can go except Ava. Thanks. Eggs.
Mom, rate this avatar.
Okay.
Rate it. Is it rated, Mama?
Blake.
Don't like this. We got it. Rate it, Mama.
Every day I have to go to
I
the
read it.
loser
Dad,
table.
can
I want to go to back to the normal table or the cool kids table, not this table.
No, let me have some
Well,
glasses.
these smell like vomit food. Look. God. Stinks. What is it? Never mind, you can go. I'm just gonna give you attention. Phew. Let me go get my lunch. I guess I can't really go anywhere else. My snack. Everyone can go. If you, I can go. I'll just stay near my locker. What do you want to play, dude? Let's play on this. Yeah. Those two are the nerds. They always get the bouncy ball. Show everyone how impressive they can bounce. Even though everyone can do that, and everyone can see how he's holding the handles. It's double trouble, mate. Sorry, mate. It's okay. Let's go to them. Bullying the best bit. Anyways, y'all wanna play a group game? Yeah. Let's play on the trampoline. Nah, the bullies on it. Yeah, but let's play on this. Let's go to the secret club. Oh, that's where all the stuff are. Stick this out. Snoozer losers. Who's got this?
Of course we don't know yet. Vegetarian.
The ballies get these. And you get the secret club. Get this area for life. Yes, besties. Sorry, I'm just quickly adjusting this. But it is a conference. So yeah. So sorry if you get triggered about that. I can't fit it. I really want to figure out. I'm also triggered. I realized I can't fit it. But anyways.
I love Ethereans.
Let's play with the basketball, dude.
What?
Etherean mask?
Syrian mask?
Etherean.
Syrian mask.
Etherean. Yeah. Just some people
Stop
like
it.
that. I like that.
You literally smell. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. What should I do? It looks so weird. Did you really wear a school uniform? Do you see anyone else wearing a school uniform? No. So you didn't have to wear it. That's a tip. But it was supposed to be the school uniform rules. Well, no. No one ever wears it. The school doesn't even wear it anymore. Ding, ding. The bell. You're lucky. You're gonna line up. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. I need to be at the back of the list. Oh gosh, double. We need to get in. the beach. Let's go. I'm gonna race y'all. Oh my gosh, we made it. A Wobby Bridge, the cool kid, or is it big? Let's go, guys. Usually, okay, that girl better not be in the front. Here, the books are here. Guys, let's go. You guys are gonna do a ported test. Come in. You are going to, come on, you go. You go. You go. Let's go away from this girl. Let's go away from this dude. Yeah, she looks so...
Speedy.
So can someone move? No, go away. Someone move. You can go. You can go. Hey, someone took my spot. Someone took my spot. Oh, you go here then. Okay, great. Still talking. See if I can stay away from that girl. Oh yeah, I better go. I better just go now. It's waiting for everyone, the assignment's done. You guys could go home. Yes, I could go. Yeah, I think, and you also have to have quick lunch. Okay, that's cool. You can go home. Okay, I'm staying until that girl leaves. Whoa. Okay, just go sit here and just get out. This is the teacher's desk. Sleepy. Let's just go outside.